pupunta po kayo sa box of your choice.
Pick a box po. Pick a box.
And last po,
any box, any box. Yes, pwede po yan. Dito po kayo, sa likod po.
Yan po.
Muna, don't open. Meron po tayong konting game.
surprise. From True Value po, Miss
True Value.
Melanie A. Castañeda. And si ma'am, congratulations po.
Ayan, at least may girl. 2 men and a lady. Ma'am, dito po kayo. Dahil ito na nag-iisang box na hindi pa napipili. Yung susi ba? Okay, dito po. One more shot. Would you like to change your mind, sir, gentlemen?
Pwede po kung magbago ng
Pwede pa
isip.
magbago yung isip kung gusto nyo kasi
Switch or-
you wanna switch or something? Go na lang.
Alright.
Okay, ito na. Our lucky 3 winners have chosen their cash box. Inside the actual prize from Yale, ito na. At stake, Yale Digital Door Lock.
Yes.
Favorite mo, 4109.
4109.
Digital Door Lock YDR 333. And a Digital Elite Safe.
Wow!
Sabay po tayo mag-reveal on my count. Tayo, then.
Alright po.
A 1,
2,
a 2, a 3.
Open! Uy, kay ma'am na po tayo
Okay,
si
ma'am, you see?
Door Lock, Sir Sam, Sir Justin. 4109 ito. Congratulations po yung winner prize. Sa right of the stage po. Photo.
Alpha na lang.